Hi there! Today we've got something really interesting, turning apples into oranges. Let's see how it works. It all starts with a simple apple growing on a tree surrounded by the magic of rain. But this is the beginning of its incredible journey. Wait a second. Did you see that? No, this isn't a transformation, just a little teaser to keep you guessing. Get ready! Things are about to get exciting! Now let's see how the magic happens on pixverse.ai. Let's start by checking out pixverse.ai. This amazing site lets us to turn our images into something completely new with just a simple text prompt. First, we'll choose this apple from the site. Then, type transform into an orange fruit to see what happens. Just a few seconds. Wow! A bright orange monster appears on the screen. But this isn't quite what we were looking for, just a little test to keep you intrigued. Now, let's make the magic happen. In this part, let's upload our image. To do this, just click on the Upload Image button, select the Apple image from your device, and in a few moments, you'll see it appear on the screen. This is where the real fun begins. Now let's type the magic words transform into a fresh and delicious orange, and with that pixverse.ai will take our simple apple and turn it into a mouth-watering orange. Watch closely as the transformation happens. And there it is, a perfect fresh orange ready to be downloaded. To save this amazing transformation, just click the download button. The image will be saved to your device, ready for you to use however you like. And there you have it, our apple transformed into a fresh, delicious orange. Thanks to the power of pixverse.ai. It's like shaking hands with technology and seeing the magic unfold. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and let's keep the magic going. Can you guess what our next video will be about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you like to see?